don't judge me. Can't play no games, came and don't love me. I bubble till I struggle up that I see this rock. This night, rocks on my socket, let it rock on my waistline, hold the baseline. Any nigga tryna take mine, take none. Anything to do is take 12.
That's how it is, baby.
Yeah.
Yo, the legend, the man, the myth, the legend up in the building. Crime, baby, crime. What's good? What's good?
It feels good.
We about to bang this shit out, boy.
It feels good.
Hey, K Junior Studios, non-self production. I don't know if y'all seeing this clear or not, so I'm gonna get it back.
Genius, man.
Get it back for y'all to see it clear.
The building was a legendary, man.
Y'all know how it goes. Two legends, you know what I'm saying? If I'm one, I know that brother won for sure. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'll let y'all tell it. I'ma do my work and then I'ma die and I'll let y'all tell if I'm a legend or not. But these motherfuckers don't recognize right now, you know what I'm saying? We like prophets of our time, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers don't understand what we do until years later, so you know what I mean? Hey, this is something for y'all to build on then. Please. Hopefully they playing this in school.